Previously, on Chris's last visit up to the ranch, he was finally able to make it in past the snow and open the gates for the first time since last fall.
Woohoo! We made it!
He was left feeling unaccomplished with not being able to burn down the massive wood piles left behind by the loggers, and had to come to the realization that we will not be able to have enough time to get our front pasture done for spring hay.
Alright, so we got the sea can up here. We got it all set up for tonight. It's looking pretty good. We got our outdoor kitchen. Our bartender, Big Daddy. Here's a look at our Big Daddy's living quarters. I get the penthouse up on the second floor. It's not set up yet. And we got gourmet dinner cooking right here. Alright, so it's the morning after our sleep out on level 2 of our sea can hotel. It wasn't too bad. As soon as it got dark, the mosquitoes started coming out, so I had to bury my head in the sleeping bag. But other than that, it was fairly nice. It got pretty windy, but stayed warm and didn't roll off the sea can, so that's always a plus. We're gonna get started first thing on our plumbing drain line. So we already had a 10-foot section that was run underneath the footing. So we're just gonna tie in to that for, we got one run that's gonna run upstairs to feed the one side of the house, the bathrooms and showers, and then we got to run our island kitchen drain, and then a bathroom downstairs, and then another line upstairs to feed Brooklyn's room. So we're gonna get hopefully that done over the next day or two, and possibly get it inspected on Tuesday. So there's our you can just see the black line there. That's our exit, and then this is inside the pantry, which we're going to run the one line going upstairs to feed the one side of the house, and then we will continue all the way here over to the island, and then all the way to the back to feed a bathroom, and then upstairs. Alright guys, I'm supporting my cool new hat that hopefully nobody sees. My brother-in-law would be proud. Keeps the sun off of me. Anyways, we're here on the plumbing. I kind of jumped ahead and finished a bunch of it already. To me it seemed kind of boring to look at. There's not really that much going on. We got Big Daddy over there. He's gonna go do another load, day 2 in the rock truck there. It's like a 15-minute turnaround time to get to the bottom of the driveway at the front entrance. We're dumping a bunch of piles there since the road was kind of soggy the other day, and now I've got we've got some water building up in the lower field I guess because the river is so high that it's just seeping into the ground and then kind of coming up in the low spots. So we're going to build the main driveway up with all this dirt or soil we got to excavate. Since it's such a rocky mix, it'll work perfect for a base. But anyways, for the bathroom here, so this is the bathroom for the guest bedroom, next to the guest bedroom, I guess the main one on this floor. We got the sink already plumbed in there, and then next will be a toilet, and then we've got the bathtub which will go beside that, and then we got to run a stack upstairs to run into Brooklyn's room. We've already done, you probably can't see it, but it's in front of the excavator there. That's for the kitchen, and then there's a stub up on the wall there that's going to hit the rest of the rooms. All right, there goes Big Daddy. He's not impressed driving that thing. He says it's a workout, and it's too hot, hurts his arms, stinks, it's too bumpy. What else was there? Basically it's a but I asked him to buy me a new one, but you know how that went. Anyways, let's get this plumbing finished, or try to finish it. I went to the store. I needed a P-trap, so now I gotta go back.
Here Chris is measuring and doing all the math involved, making every measurement perfect, because once the concrete is poured, there is no turning back.
Alright, if you can hear me, we're on a recon mission. Big Daddy got the rock truck stuck, so I got Big Daddy with me on top of Big Papa, the excavator. Alright, he sunk her better than I did. Holy moly. Oh yeah, he buried her. He buried her good. I think what we'll do is we'll just grab the excavator and hook it on the side of the box and pull it over a bit, and then see if you can just pull forward. So we got him out. It wasn't that big of a deal. I didn't think it was that bad. Although it was worse than I've got stuck, but I'm probably going to get it stuck a hell of a lot worse than that in the next coming years driving that thing. But I think it's kind of wrecked his confidence level where he doesn't want to drive it anymore. So he's heading back right now. He said the first thing he's going to do is he's going to go pour himself a good drink. I'm going to finish, I dumped this pile here, so I'm going to finish flattening that one out, and then I guess I'll flatten these two out, which my battery's kind of low, so if it lasts, it lasts. If not, you'll see it when it's done.
To be continued. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.